too. This is so pretty.
Too much.
Oh my gosh. What does the symbol mean?
Strength.
Because I feel it up. Do you guys feel it?
From 10 or more.
Oh God.
Alright, I have no idea what I'm doing. Anything come out? Come out. Want to see in the frame is ByDanielleAmor? Yeah,
God.
Oh, the new.
Alright guys, this is Danielle MUA. She's like the queen tall. So she's on Instagram. I met her for the first time at the beauty expo.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Mr. we get excited. You're very, very tall.
Yes, see, my head is out of frame when I stand up. Alright, yes. Never go like leave my head. She needs a lot. You reach up.
Yeah.
Alright, good.
Yeah.
There, no, I reach.
Turn the camera more so that you're more in the frame. Yes.
No,
right. See it?
Yes. Oh, so I'm not wearing makeup today because I have a allergy for your cold, so I try not to put makeup on it.
Okay.
So I'm just using toner.
Can come and say hi to the sale?
Toner off your face. One big fam.
Oh my God.
I'm not come in, so put it in my hand sheet.
Why? Come show your face.
On yourself.
Make them see the toe without makeup. Ken, come, make them see without makeup. Oh, whatever.
She didn't even know that she even start the makeup. She don't even know. From bunk bed.
Oh my God. Oh no.
From here, like a jump in our one.
Bro, Mr. Mysterio on Instagram and said, Jesus Christ again.
Yeah, but the long dots.
My
that
girl.
was a long time ago.
Oh my gosh.
So,
Her work
can
is,
you imagine? Can you imagine?
your work is so clean on HMS here. And that's the premise of this, because some people are going to make it into a competition and say, oh, my face better and this and that. It's gonna happen, but that's not the point. The point is showcase other Jamaican makeup artists in Jamaica. I'm not the only one, and I feel like I'm fighting so hard to show people that I'm just not the only one. So how long have you been doing makeup?
From 2013. To make the maths right.
5 years, Daniel?
Yeah.
Wow.
But I was mainly in corporate and video production.
Oh,
so
nice.
I've worked with most, if not all, Jamaican artists out there.
In that sphere or from makeup artistry?
From makeup.
Nice.
I've done shoots for Conscience, Alex Riley, Chris Martin, Assassin Tifa. Just
also, can she a celebrity makeup artist can?
Can go for her business. But yeah, I've done production with most, if not all. And it ranges from dancehall to culture, because I work with Chronics, I work with Kesnamdi, Baka. I've worked with most people in the industry.
Wow.
Yeah, and I was J. Capri's personal makeup artist and PA, so I used to travel with her and stuff like that. Yes, that was actually her best anniversary.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
3 years.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah. So this is the Meron Skin Prep. What it does, it's going to pull down the sweat.
Really? So each of you, you're the third person to come on my face live, and each of you have different techniques for the prep, the skin prep. Each of you, and I'm sitting back like, whoa. Me, I surprised my own self. Like, people actually do things differently. Ooh, Miguel.
Yeah.
Big up needles, big my blood cleanser. Straight. Yeah.
So it's going to start being
Tight. Okay.
grabbing the skin together.
Backside.
So don't think your face will drop off or nothing. It's just doing what it does.
Okay. Do you say something, anything else other than makeup?
Yeah, but in the same beauty field. Yeah, so
Like what products or what?
no, I like hands-on stuff. So I like to work. So I don't think I pick with the retail at all. I don't, because
We feel it.
it's sad to say you feel it.
Yeah, we feel it. Yeah.
Yeah, that is like something there. Yeah, so it's I'm not a people person. I'm a keep myself to myself type of person.
That's interesting that you've worked with almost half the industry.
Exactly. So everybody thinks that, oh, she's friends with everybody and she knows everybody, and not even like that. I just my work and go home.
Right.
You know, so I'm not very out there you come on to people. So I don't think I could handle retail because I have to deal. Yeah. So I'd have to deal with you know, talking to people every day,
selling, customer care, shipping, all that shit.
Yeah.
I picture you at the end of the day, like just with a glass of wine, like a good movie, just sit down and you like just
that's me.
And you don't really want. If you don't say, can I go on the ring?
Alright, so you see what it look like when you have on milk and magnesia now?
Oh yes.
Look wicked.
My backside.
Yeah,
it's through. You're talking through
all the fruits. And of course, you know, we preach all these products you can find in Mirror J.
At Mirror J. So I'm back at Mirror.
Yes, we're back at Mirror at Shop 1, Building 14, Central Plaza. If you know where Pink's is, if you know where Pablo's is, Spencer's Tailoring, you'll find it easy. Because it's right on the same hand where Pink's is. If you find Pink's, you find Mirror. Burgundy awning with a big MM on it. So that's where we're located. And all products you can get in here.
Mirror, nice.
At Mirror.
And they're authentic products. I had to do it on my YouTube channel. I know so I don't know barrel something I buy. But yet the barrel come the buy something for eBay from a China man.
No. It's straight from the actual persons who make them. One of the persons who, you know, inspired my makeup. You're actually the first person I found on YouTube.
What?
To be honest.
Danielle,
I thought YouTube was for music only back in 2012. I thought YouTube was just music when I found a whole other world on YouTube. What? Things like that? Can't learn to cook? Can't hear?
Math problem.
First of all, I never even know about brows. You know, this girl, I kept seeing her with some very nice brows. And I keep asking her, how did you do this? I just said, go and watch YouTube. So I'm going to listen to music and learn from the brows. Yeah. And then I went there, and below me typed in Jamaican makeup artist. Out of nowhere, and you came up.
Wow.
And I started watching you, and then I became obsessed.
Oh God.
I started getting up at 2 o'clock in the night. I practice makeup. We just want to do makeup.
That's so interesting.
Yeah, man. And there was this one video you did, and you were talking about if you want to start a YouTube channel, don't do it because you want fame or whatever. Do it because you have a passion for the art and whatever. And same night, YouTube bill.
Lord of God!
That girl is speaking my language. Then that girl has speak my language, you know.
YouTube bill.
I admire she forward first, you know. It's kind of like that. Like, oh, you admire my record of me first, admire you, you know.
And I think everything's coming full circle. I never know who watching, you know. You never know.
That's true.
I'm not there. Hello? Hello? Yeah, Bobby.
The reaction though.
Oh my God.
I know. You miss her though.
Can't too. December. How are you, Mama? Speak. You're speechless? Oh God.
That's how you made me. Oh
The
yes.
reception.
Yes, I
One
were.
big church service.
Yes, yeah.
You watch every one of your videos, you think I
Oh
joke.
God.
When Lyric got married, I didn't have an Instagram page.
Oh.
Somebody else's Instagram got a good page.
Oh my
I'm gonna tell
goodness.
Lyric to me I watch her friend she in front of the bunk bed. You know, a long
It is
years.
years. I know. Oh, that not look good. It's not about looking good. It's the art of it.
Everybody just following the same pattern.
Everybody look alike.
Oh my gosh. That is so true. Everybody literally. doing the same things now. There's no creativity in makeup anymore. Even on YouTube, I got bored after a while of YouTube because I kept seeing everybody doing the same thing, everybody doing the same reviews, everybody, as something come out, everybody buy it, everybody review it. Nobody now be creative again.
Yeah, because that's what it has become now.
Yeah.
Because back then, which palette used to kick up the place? The Coastal Sense palette and the
BH Cosmetics. If you not have them, they never add.
Bruh, no, it's like in a pig. Blood of God. No, if you not have certain things in a pigmented, which is true because the formulas are changing now. So other brands are learning from these mother brands, isn't it? So no, it's just a whole. You're right. It's just trends with no art.
Yep, it is.
No art.
And then and the thing is, why I stopped doing YouTube, is because it takes a lot of things. People don't understand how much it takes out of you. They think it's
camera,
yeah. They don't know that you have to edit the content. They don't know you have to voice over all of them. So they don't know that you have to do all of that.
It's worse than a 9 to 5, I swear.
They think it's just sitting in front of a camera. And they don't even know the cleanup what you have to do after you've done all of the makeup.
And then life forgot happen after that. It's horrible, man.
Yeah, man. They don't even know, and then they don't know what you have to go through with lighting. You have to get good lighting.
Yeah, and the money we have to put in.
At the time, I didn't have like ring lights and them something. So I have to wait for a little sunlight early morning to do my videos. All of them on the right of the window. You have to make sure say the sun is a certain way. Because you don't want to change the color of your video. Like people don't even understand how much it takes. They just think, okay, this person goes in front of a camera, and they don't think that as a starter, YouTube takes a lot of money because they want to keep up with the YouTube people and say you go buy the product.
Yes. You know how much stuff I've given away? I must say 2 Fenty lipstick alone my own and 1 primer. I've given away everything I've bought because I just bought it for the review. I said, I'm alive this. I can't alive this.
Exactly. If you buy for a review and you don't really like it, it's not like you're going to keep it.
I'm not going to keep it. Yeah.
Because it's not like you're
going to keep it. So now I'm going to stop by everything I'm going to say. I buy literally stuff. I'm going to say, you know what, I like that, I'm going to buy it. Not because it's trending or because I like it. Go back to the old days. Because most YouTubers will only buy stuff to review for you guys, and then that is it. You'll never see another video again.
Exactly.
Never.
So now, ain't nobody half the time, ain't nobody watching the videos. It's like, my buying things in vain because when you look at the views, it's like,
yeah, nobody knows. It's true.
So why am I this again?
God, it's true. It's true.
It's so true. Like, so I took a step back and be like, all right. And then when the algorithm changed, when they have to know a click bell to get notified, and if you don't have thousands and thousands of subscribers, you get lost in the system. The things don't come up anymore. People have to look for it. Because at one point, I couldn't find you. I didn't get notifications from you. Oh my God, I never know the notification system was out. Right. So I stopped getting notifications from you, and I searched you up, and I'm like, but we still subscribe to you. Why I'm not seeing your videos? And then I realized that no. They have a notification system now where you have to click bell and be notified, and then all of a sudden you have to tell people, remember to click the bell. I don't want to annoy people.
And it does get annoying because when I watch videos and I'm like, oh my God, I don't want to click the friggin' bell. If I want to click I know what the bell. I click the bell, I want to click the bell. Don't you want to click the bell? It gets frustrating.
Yeah, and then when people say, you're annoying by telling them every time in your video to click bell. And,
subscribe, comment, it gets very daunting after a while.
Sometimes you just want to go on there, do your video, and come on.
Like how it used to be.
Tell people to go and subscribe and like my things, or to them it's like, if I don't have social media for even a minute, if Instagram block out for even a minute, people go crazy. They keep pressing the refresh button. They don't even put on their phone.
Oh my God.
Like I remember one time I did this thing where I put on my phone. I logged out of all social media, and I did it for like a week to just see how I would feel, because you know that most persons when they get up in the morning, the first thing they do is open Instagram. It's like automatic now that as you take up your phone in the morning, you go into Instagram.
Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook,
like the
Snapchat.
First thing, it's alright, man, wake up, thank you Jesus.
It's check my man, baby, I like it, you want to look for food?
Yeah, look up my bed to see if your
man dead alive.
It is
she
Wake
does.
up as your own. No, but I don't even open good.
Please come to the police report. Mrs. been dead for 5 hours. But me never know after church. Me go check the Instagram now. Me say nah, like my picture. Me say no, boy, me like my picture this morning. So comes me check pan him, cause he never have my picture after. Lord of God, man, did I should have known.
So the first thing people check when they wake up at morning time, and you know that you can be on there for hours and not even realize that you're scrolling for hours. I don't even realize that they scroll for hours sometimes. And you wonder where the time pass. So I'm going to put down the phone and see what I'm going to do. See how much we can accomplish in a 1 week. And it was surprising. Accomplish a lot.
Yeah.
Because you're not scrolling for hours. That hours you can take a read on book and learn to go do some other things, some new techniques. Trust
wow, Danielle. With Auntie Paula and me. Because I even said it to her. No man, did I last for photos? But it's not for take by brands. Look at the photo. Me can take it for you. I mean, yeah. Gone. I'm going to see if money up our drawers. And I have to start getting money from now to pay for the building. It's looking good, you guys. It's looking real good, Danielle. What was this glow? What's this?
Good old sheet.
Black Radiant. This is what you used for me the last time? What? Artisan bronzer. 35.20. People on Insta, people keep on asking me, what bronzer can you use? Or bronzer? This is what she uses, guys. Yeah. And that's what Danielle just used to. Yes. Oh, it's sold here, yes? Yeah. As in after the eyeshadow and everything? Little brows after eyeshadow? You know what, I'm gonna try that one day. I'm gonna do shit. Watch from the blood cleanse. I'm gonna try.
Yeah, it's weird. It's very weird that I do it
Yeah.
Early so I was forced to choose. Who knows? Probably I never had my daughter probably at their party and
But where are you from? Jamaica?
Yes.
Why is it always a party and live in
I like doing that. It's like another personality that's kicking you and
party and live in midlife.
I was just Trinidad.
Yes, and it's sort of very authentic. Alright guys, so I chose to speed up this part because there's a lot of talking that was going on in the shop itself. And as I tell you, people just come in on a day and get the makeup done. So now I guess it does get crowded. But the colors that she used is Divas Place. I don't know the base that she used because I didn't ask her. But what I asked her was what colors that she used because her Divas Place eyeshadows that weren't in a palette. She had depotted them. So I was very curious about what eyeshadows you use. And just said she told me Divas Place. I know that's what she's using. And we're just talking about her daughter, how creative her daughter is. I wish you guys could have heard the audio. For Danielle's video, this video, what I really wanted you guys to get out of this is the dialogue that was happening before. You know, to me, like Danielle just had nothing but just amazing words for up and coming new YouTubers who are kind of who we understand the struggle of even starting, continuing, and all of that jazz. So I really wanted the audio, just her speaking, to be the focal point. And I know it's about the makeup and showing her first skills, but if you notice the video is a bit choppy, but what is lengthy is her knowledge, what she's talking about, or dialogue, because I feel that's so important for you guys to hear as well. So hopefully the audio is a little bit better for the video. I doubt it though, but hopefully it is. But yeah.
So Shireen, make you come out so with your ear and your wig and your something going so far.
Guys, brown lips, blue eyes. I love the eyeshadow. What? Touch my lashes. Oh God. You guys, come here, Danielle. No, I'm living with a we got a slide back. Oh God, thank you so much.
Oh, look at it, dude.
Oh, it is gorgeous. It is beautiful. It's a good silhouette in my watch. It's a good silhouette. Okay, I swear. Because it's the one you use, and it looks really good. It looks so nice, Danielle. Thank you so much. Watch me. Oh my God. So where they can find you?
Yes. Don't mind my face, it's breaking out. So I'm not trying to put anything on it. But you can find me in Halfway Tree Central Plaza, Mirror, J8 a makeup store. You can find me on Instagram at ByDanielleAmor. I'm sure it's going to be somewhere around here.
Yeah, it will be. It will be.
You know, remember to subscribe. Click on the link in the description.
Oh my God.
Click the button down here and then the bell.
The
to get
bell,
notified
yes.
and all of that good stuff.
Oh my
child.
God.
But yeah, it was such a pleasure to be here doing her makeup. It's so surreal because she's the reason why I even started in the first place.
Alright, Daniel. Alright, Daniel.
Real
Alright,
girls.
guys. Okay,
Show
guys.
the eye and your nose
Oh
and
my
your lips
God.
and everything.
Lot of God.
Make it focus on you.
Lot of God. I'm gonna take some picture. You are so tall. Bring it up back.
Kind of giraffe.
I will take one picture together.
Sierra.
Catch me in the mall, you know I buyed out G5 plane. Yeah, I flied out. On the back, look like Lash sitting on 28. No, you can't get her if you ain't got plenty cake.